just got this phone mount for my car, so let's take it out of the box and see how it works. So it looks like there's two ways you can have it. If you want it on your dash, then you would put it like this, and this piece would go on like that. Or if you want it on your windshield, then you would put it on your windshield like that, and this piece goes on like this. Now that we know how this works, let's take it to the car and install it. Now that we are in the car, the first step is to flip this over and unscrew this piece off. Next, we're going to put it on top of here, just like that. The next step is to connect the two, so the ball goes into the slot right here, and then you take the twisty thing and you just twist it right back on. Now it should look like this. No need to unscrew anything to flip this upside down. You literally just grab it and turn it just like that. Now it's facing the right way for being on the dash. And now I'm going to peel this off. And now I'm going to take this and peel off this side, and now peel off the other side. Those are both really satisfying. We have this layer, which is going to go on the bottom, and this layer is not sticky because this side is sticky. So this is going to go to this, and then this goes on the dash. So watch it in action. Now that this is on the dash, it needs to be adjusted so that it's easier to touch while driving. As you can see, I'd have to lean forwards to touch it right now. So what we're going to do first is we're going to unscrew this, which allows you to move this forwards, just like so. Next, we're going to pull it out, just like that. And now it is much closer to the steering wheel. And of course, don't forget to tighten this so that it doesn't go flying around when you're driving. So now to put your phone on it, all you have to do is find the button on the back here, click it, and then now you can put your phone right in just like this. And now I just use my hand to close it. And now it is nice and steady, and it's not going to go anywhere. And this is very easy to reach from the steering wheel. Here's my hand on the steering wheel, and here's the phone. I can easily touch it, do whatever I need, power button, volume button, home button, whatever. All that stuff is easily accessible while I'm driving.